Pouvez-vous m'aider?
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Bien sûr.
Of course. Of course.
Moi aussi.
Me too. Me too.
Désolé, je suis en retard.
Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late.
Je ne connais pas le chemin.
I don't know the way. I don't know the way.
Je peux vous demander quelque chose?
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
Je n'aime pas cela.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Attendez un instant.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Je ne crois pas.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Qu'est-ce qui ne va pas?
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Dis-moi plus.
Tell me more. Tell me more.
Je ne parle pas très bien anglais, parlez lentement.
I don't speak English very well, speak slowly. I don't speak English very well, speak slowly.
Je suis perdu.
I'm lost. I'm lost.
Amuse-toi.
Have fun. Have fun.
Combien ça coûte?
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
De rien.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Combien de temps cela prendra-t-il?
How long will it take? How long will it take?
Quelle heure est-il?
What time is it? What time is it?
C'est génial.
That's great. That's great.
Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît?
Can you repeat please? Can you repeat please?
Je cherche un emploi.
I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job.
Ne t'inquiète pas pour ça.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Je suis de bonne humeur.
I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood.
Ce n'est pas ma faute.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Je m'améliore.
I'm getting better. I'm getting better.
Je ne le trouve pas.
I don't find it. I don't find it.
Comment va ta famille?
How's your family? How's your family?
Je ne suis pas prêt.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Je suis très occupé. I'm very busy. I'm very busy. Ce n'est pas un problème.
It's not a problem. It's not a problem.
Je ne me sens pas bien.
I don't feel well. I don't feel well.
Je suis en chemin.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Je plaisante.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Je n'aime pas attendre.
I don't like to wait. I don't like to wait.
Je n'ai pas le temps.
I don't have time. I don't have time.
Je ne suis pas d'accord.
I don't agree. I don't agree.
Je me sens mieux.
I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better.
Crois-moi.
Trust me. Trust me.
Où allons-nous?
Where are we going? Where are we going?